discovered that so many small creators are finding it difficult to create their thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can create your thumbnail, either using Capcut or Canva. And I'm also going to show you where you can remove your background picture, either using website or app, whichever one. Then if you watch till the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can be able to test your thumbnail to see how exactly it's going to be looking, either on phone, TV or laptop, when you posted your video on YouTube. So watch this video till the end. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about tutorial and how to grow on YouTube channel fast. So if you are interested in this one, please subscribe, comment and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's dive into the tutorial.
On your Chrome, type in remove picture background and it will bring you to this page where you can upload your picture. So in today's tutorial, I'll be removing the background of my picture to show you exactly how it works. So I'll be using these pics. Before you upload the picture, make sure that the picture has already been edited. So here the picture is uploading. So after uploading, this is what we have. It has now removed the background of the picture and this is the final look. So just download the picture to your photos. Another way you can remove the background of your picture is using this app, Capcut. This app helps you to remove the background of your pictures. Very easy. Just bring in the picture and it will scan it. After scanning it, it will give you so many options, so many colors that you can use as your background. You can choose yellow, orange. It has gradients that you can choose. It has so many colors. Lifestyle, depending on your channel, depending on the what you are teaching on YouTube. So you have so many options. You can adjust things on this app. It's very easy to use. So we'll be using this one. You can as well adjust your picture the way you wanted it to place on the background. So the app is also very easy to use. After choosing the background that you wanted, you can just download it and it will be on your photos. So this is the work of this app. Either you choose the website or you download this app, Capcut. That is the name of the app, Capcut. You can download it. It's very easy to use. So if you are using the website to remove your background, that means you need to also download a background picture that will be using on that photo depending on your niche. So we'll be using Pinterest. If you go to Pinterest, just type in beautiful background for thumbnail. Please, if you are downloading this background, download it based on your niche, the niche you are teaching on YouTube. So download it based on your niche. So here they will generate, it will give you so many background that you make use of. So we'll be using this particular one. It's very simple and very unique. So we'll make use of this one. So after that, you click on the thread button and download the image. It will just automatically save on your phone. Now we head over to Capcut to create our thumbnail. In Capcut, just click on this plus new project and download the image that we remove the background. Yes, download the image that you remove the background. It will bring you here. So here, what you have to do next is to look for aspect ratio, because if you leave it like this, it will not be exactly YouTube thumbnail size. So YouTube is 16:9. You change it to 16:9 so that it will fit on YouTube thumbnail size. So after that, you choose background. Just hit the background button and go to your photos to pick the background that we have already downloaded and bring it up here. Please, if you are trying to edit this, make sure that you bring down the photos because of the Capcut logo, so that when you are cutting it, your image will not cut off. So bring it down to where the Capcut logo is not. So that is the thing you have to do. You adjust it very well. Next thing you have to do is to click on text. Here you can type in anything you wanted. For example, I'll be using how to create thumbnail. So you type it. After that, you click on font and choose the kind of text, how your thumbnail tells, how you want it to be. You choose the thumbnail text. Then after that, you click on style. You will see so many colors, like any color that you wanted, you will see it there. Making use of this particular one. So after choosing it, you adjust things, make sure that the text and the picture rhyme together. You can brighten up the picture or reduce the brightness by clicking the adjust button. So if you click on adjust, you click on brightness, then you can bring the light up. You can bring the light up or you reduce it down, so depending on how the picture is. So after that, you just screenshot your thumbnail. Then before you reduce it, crop it so that you can cut out the Capcut logo and then save it to your photos. And another method you can use to create your thumbnail, which is my favorite, is using Canva. Canva is just made for designing because it has a lot of tools. So in Canva, if you tap on Canva, if you have not downloaded the app, you can just download the app, sign in, and you start using Canva. So in Canva, just tap on YouTube thumbnail. You can also use a template, already made template. So if you don't want, they can give you a plain design that has YouTube size, so you can design whatever thing you want to design. So here you just tap on upload, then you upload the picture that you want to use. If you don't like the position of your picture, you can just change it by clicking on flip and it will just change the position. You can drag the edges of the picture to position it the way you wanted it to be, either big or small. Then after that, you can change the background of the picture to your own, to your taste, either blue, green, any background that you want. Or you can click on the color and change it to gradient. So any color that you choose, will be making use of black. Then click on text to write whatever thing you want to write. Then after writing, you click on font. See, if you want your text to be bold enough, you can use Anton, Anton or Impact. It makes your letters to be very, very bold. So when you are done using the font, you can increase the size or reduce the size by clicking the size button there. Then after that, if you want to add shadow to your text, you can click on effects. There are so many effects you can use. Then I normally use, if you want shadow, you click on this shadow, then increase or reduce depending on how you want it. If you want to change the color of the shadow, you click on color, then change the color of the shadow. So you can also click on this last one to choose whether all the text that is maybe on a board, on a board, you can choose that one and use it. But now we'll be using shadow on this particular thumbnail. And if you want to increase the brightness of the picture, you can click on adjust, then click on foreground, then you adjust the brightness or you reduce the brightness, so depending on the one you wanted. So after that, just play around with this. You see so many things that you like. So if you want to also add all these icon, YouTube icon settings, all these icon that you normally see on people's thumbnail, you can just click on element. Element has so many things. Just type it on search and it will just bring a lot of them. As I'm doing here, I wanted to add YouTube to a logo, so you can as well do it on your own. Just play around with it and you are good to go. Then download your picture. Then another thing you have to know is that if you want to know the way your thumbnail will be looking on your picture, on your video in YouTube, then we head over to Chrome. On Chrome, just type in youtubereview.com. Then they will show you this page where you can be able to put in your thumbnail. Here they will show you how your thumbnail is going to be looking on YouTube. So you uploaded your picture and they will scan it, but here they said that the file is too big. It's too big because we downloaded the file from Canva and is in PNG. Then just go back to Canva and change it to JPN, JPN, and then come back to this Chrome and upload the picture. Upload it, then they will show you the way your thumbnail will be looking on the phone, on the tablet, and on the picture. This is very, very important, so that if you know that it's not making sense, it's not looking nice, like it's not looking clickable, you can just adjust everything and your thumbnail will be good to go. So this is the simple way you can create your thumbnail, check your thumbnail, and upload on your video. So the two difference between using the website to remove the background and using app already has background for you that you use, but the website you need to remove the background, then also find background that you are going to use on the picture. So that is the two difference. So anyone you want is okay. So this is the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you know any other easy way to create thumbnail, please drop it in the comments